Hi all of you, in this video I'm going to do hands-on on Docker. This is my first video on hands-on. So in this video I will be installing your Docker in my Linux machines. First let me paste my IP here and log in into my machine. Except now it's time to write ec2-user. So now I am logged in and now first it's time to let me clear this and first let me do ls. So let me remove all of this stuff, rm hyphen rf star, okay, for all. So if I do now here ls, nothing is there. So let me do ctrl plus l. Now it's time to install Docker first. So you have to write yum install hyphen y, because this is my, let me write here Docker, because this is my Amazon machine, so it contains Docker already, so you just have to install it. You don't have to download it. So let me press enter. Now you can see that my Docker is installing, you can see here. So let it install. So this is the loading bar in Linux hash. So now you can see that my Docker is installed. How you can check that? Docker hyphen v, or you can do this as well, hyphen version. Okay, so this is short form and this is long form. So you can see that Docker version 20.10.13. So let me check the status of Docker. So what is the command for that? I think not system, service status Docker. The service command supports only basic lsp. What was the command? I'm forgetting. Status Docker or Docker. Let me try service status, not status. Let me try Docker service Docker and status. Now you can see that my command is running now. So Docker service, so you can see active, inactive, dead, means its service is not started. Okay, its service is not running. So you can do like this as well, Docker info. Okay, so you can see that daemon running error pretty printing info, which means daemon means Docker daemon means daemons means background process. Okay, so now you can see that my service is inactive. To start the service there is a command service uh, start, not start, first Docker service Docker start. Now you can see that redirecting to bin system start docker dot service. So if I run that command against of status, so now you can see that my process id is this. It's process or package, I think it's a package id. So now you can see that active running, which means my service is now started, my Docker is now running. So you can check this as well, Docker info. So now you can see that it is printing all stuff. Where is my command? Docker info. After that you can see that container 0, pause 0, stop 0, image is 0, and yeah, that is your status. So now you can see that server version is this Docker, okay, and volume is your local. Everything is printing. Now you can see here what is your IP of registries, as I already told you in my Docker architecture. there is a registry as well in Docker. So everything is printed. As you all see this as well, Amazon Linux 2, this is my machine. On this machine Docker is running, OS type is Linux. You can see every information related to Docker as well as related to my Linux machine as well. So now I think this much information is enough. If you do, like if you write docker service docker stop, so stop docker service. If I do again status, now you can see inactive. You can see that inactive, dead. So now it is showing dead. But if I do start, okay, where is the start one? If I do so now you can see that I have started the service of docker again. Let me try status again. So now you can see that it is now again active. Okay, so just try these commands and install this docker and try these commands and some more commands, how to check image, how to create containers, and how to uh, pull image from docker up. I will show you in my next videos. So yeah, just try this stuff which I showed you just right now. And yeah, that's about for today, and I will be meet you in my next video.